Malaysia produces around 900 million birds and 12 billion eggs, achieving a meat self-sufficiency level of 100% and an egg self-sufficiency level of 120%. On average, each Malaysian consumes about 49 kilograms of poultry meat and 26 kilograms of eggs annually. Poultry remains the cheapest and most popular protein source, making it a staple in Malaysian diets.
Let me share a little about WVPA Malaysia. The Malaysian branch of the World Veterinary Poultry Association was established in 2013. Our office is based at the Faculty of Veterinary Medicine, University Putra Malaysia in Serdang. The purpose of our association is to promote scientific excellence, support knowledge, and contribute to the sustainable development of poultry industry. We also take great pride in the achievement of our members, many of whom have been recognized with prestigious poultry awards. These recognitions reflect the dedication, expertise, and contribution of Malaysian poultry veterinarians locally and internationally.
Poultry veterinarians are at the heart of global food security. We protect flock health through disease prevention, control, and biosecurity, making safe and consistent poultry productions. From diagnosis and managing diseases like avian influenza and Newcastle disease, which can cause massive losses and disruption in poultry supply chains, to developing vaccination programs advising these welfare and nutrition, veterinarians safeguard both animal and public health.
When we talk about sustainability, we need to sustain the business of poultry. When the automation, when the good farming system come into place, we can provide affordable poultry meat and egg to the people. The poultry veterinarian, we are the person who actually governs the sustainability of poultry world. To invest into a healthy poultry, I'm sure we will have a very good return in a healthier world.
I would like to take a moment to reflect on our incredible journey as we have gone through as a committee. In 2019, when we put forward our bid to the World Veterinary Poultry Association Congress in 2025, our representative gathered in BTEC, Bangkok, dressed in our traditional Malaysian and Sarawakian attire, proudly showcasing our culture and spirit. After months of preparation and anticipation, the announcement was made and we won the bid. It was the beginning of this remarkable journey.
To bring WVPA Congress 2025 to life, we work tirelessly to promote Malaysia and this event on the global stage. From creating unique local-inspired design and souvenirs to showcasing WVPA Congress at 7 different international and local events, every step was about putting Malaysia in the spotlight. We wanted the world to see not just a congress, but the culture, hospitality, and pride of this land.
Behind the scenes, it was about precision and teamwork. Site visits, endless meetings, and countless brainstorming, all to ensure that every detail was in place. And standing here today, seeing all those pieces fit together, remind us all the effort was worth it.
One of the defining moments on this journey was the official press conference announcing WVPAC 2025. It wasn't just a launch. It was a symbol of unity, commitment, and pride in what we have to offer. That moment reminded us that when government, industry, and community comes together, we can achieve something truly extraordinary.
Bandaraya Kuching bakal melakar sejarah apabila menjadi tuan rumah Kongres Ternakan Veteriner Sedunia WVPAC ke-23.
𝐸𝐴C 2025 Kongres yang bermula 6 hingga 10 Oktober depan bertujuan memperkasakan strategi berkaitan keselamatan dan keterjaminan makanan global.
Welcome to Kuching. Welcome to Kuching.
Welcome to Kuching.
Now, as the world gathers here in Kuching, Sarawak, Malaysia this October, we can proudly say we did it together. Thank you. See you in WVPAC 2025. Selamat datang.
Welcome to the 23rd World Veterinary Poultry Association Congress here at the beautiful Borneo Convention Centre, Kuching.
It is wonderfully arranged, awesome facilities, beautifully arranged. I invite them to come and join the WVPA Asia meeting happening next year in New Delhi.
We are here with the whole team, and hoping to find some more information about certain diseases, to network, to hear about new technologies as well from our customers.
Many experienced speakers are involved. This also reflects a strong support given by veterinarians and researchers from around the world.
I must really congratulate the organizing committee, and I really feel proud as a Malaysian that this has been organized so well in Malaysia. I think it is absolutely wonderful.
Warm welcome to 23rd World Veterinary Poultry Association WVPA Congress Gala Dinner.
Big applause for the complete Malaysian team. So Professor Omar and his team and everything that's around it for organizing such a fantastic event.
Together across disciplines, across borders, and to create future where poultry farming is sustainable. Veterinary science is at the forefront of innovation, and food systems are secure and resilient.
On the behalf of the World Veterinary Poultry Association Malaysia and the organizing committee, I want to say thank you to our sponsors, partners, and institutions who supported us, to the committee member and all the volunteers who worked so hard, and to all the speakers, delegates, and participants who have joined us in Kuching. Your support and presence make WVPA 2025 a success. Together, we have shared knowledge and built relationships and strengthened our community. Thank you for being part of this important journey, and we look forward to meeting you in the near future.
Don't show your bag, we don't want to see your bag. Selamat datang. Oha! Dia yang ayam tak penting sangat lah, dia penting untuk haiwan pemangsa.